you're researching swim spas, chances are you're focused on size, power, jets and performance. But there's one factor that has a huge impact on daily use: running costs and long-term enjoyment. In this video, we'll walk through 5 reasons an automatic swim spa cover is a game changer, and why ClearLift by Spa World is the smart upgrade for modern swim spa owners. Traditional swim spa covers are heavy, awkward and inconvenient. And when something is hard to use, it doesn't get used properly, leading to heat loss, higher energy bills and more maintenance. That's where automatic swim spa covers come in. Reason 1. Ease of use changes how you use your swim spa. One of the biggest barriers to swim spa enjoyment is effort. Manual covers are heavy, they take time to remove, and they often require 2 people. An automatic swim spa cover eliminates that friction completely. ClearLift opens and closes your swim spa at the turn of a key, meaning you're more likely to use your swim spa regularly. Covering it properly becomes effortless. There's no physical strain or setup hassle. For families, older users, or anyone training frequently, ease of use isn't a luxury, it's essential. Reason 2. Better heat retention equals lower running costs. Heat loss is one of the biggest ongoing expenses with swim spas. When a swim spa isn't covered properly, heat escapes quickly, forcing the system to work harder to maintain temperature. Because ClearLift is so easy to use, owners are far more consistent about keeping their swim spa covered. That leads to improved heat retention, more stable water temperatures, reduced energy consumption, lower long-term running costs. In short, an automatic cover doesn't just save effort, it also saves money. Reason 3. Cleaner water, less maintenance. A properly covered swim spa stays cleaner for longer. ClearLift helps protect your water from leaves and debris, dust and airborne contaminants, weather exposure. This reduces the need for frequent cleaning and chemical adjustment, meaning more time enjoying your swim spa and less time maintaining it. For many owners, this alone makes an automatic cover worthwhile. Reason 4. Designed specifically for swim spas. Not all covers are created equal. ClearLift is engineered specifically for swim spas, not adapted from pool covers or manual systems. Its low-profile, integrated design looks clean and modern, preserves the aesthetics of your outdoor space, avoids bulky, awkward storage. If you're investing in a premium swim spa, it makes sense to pair it with a solution designed to the same standard. Reason 5. It future-proofs your swim spa experience. Most swim spa owners don't regret buying their swim spa. What they do regret is choosing accessories that make ownership harder over time. ClearLift future-proofs your setup by ensuring your swim spa remains easy to use, energy efficient, enjoyable for years to come. It's the kind of upgrade people say, "I wouldn't own a swim spa without it now." If you're considering a swim spa or already own one, an automatic cover is one of the smartest decisions you can make. The ClearLift Automatic Swim Spa Cover, exclusive to Spa World, delivers effortless operation, better energy efficiency, cleaner water, a more enjoyable ownership experience. Visit your local Spa World showroom or explore ClearLift online to see if it's right for your swim spa. Because the best swim spas deserve a cover that makes ownership effortless.